Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Carolyn and I am your retired happy friend from Mississippi, and I'm welcoming you back on this journey of retirement. I invite you to come along. Join me every time I have a video and post things that bring you joy and happiness and peace in your life so that we can share together. Some of my joys are cooking, just taking care of my home, puttering, I call it, just puttering around my home, making it more comfortable, making it more happy. And I love cooking, being outside, out of doors. Crochet is another one of my hobbies. This is Betty Bear, and she keeps me company. I enjoy sewing, watercolor painting, and taking Maisie for walks. So Maisie gets me outside. So today on our visit, I'm making tortellini. So I have the recipe and how I made that. Then it's going to be a house cleaning day. So very quickly, I'm going to wash the dishes in the kitchen, clean the house, vacuum, and then Maisie and I are going for a walk on the res. So my thankful for today is the beautiful scenery at the res, the water, the beautiful skies and sunsets. And my good word for today is, this too shall pass. So whatever we're going through that we are not real happy about right now, nothing lasts very long at all. So this too shall pass. So let's get going and get started on the tortellini. Thank you so much for joining me, for your time, and spending a little time with me on this retirement journey. Thank you. I hope you enjoy spending this lunchtime with me today. This is January 3rd, Friday, so we are starting our new year, and I feel like something different today. So I decided to pull out my little bag of tortellini. It's all ready to eat. It has simmered in the pan with marinara sauce. I added some hamburger meat to it, some fresh onion, a little bit of fresh garlic, and now my sourdough bread is in the toaster oven. So I'm getting ready to sit down and have a nice lunch. Cheese lovers tortellini. It has cheese filling. I'm going to use some already prepared pasta sauce. This is marinara sauce, olive oil, chop a quarter onion, and a garlic clove. And I'm going to add some hamburger meat to it. The onion is chopped and the garlic is diced, so I'm going to put it in my boiler and add about a fourth pound of hamburger meat. Now the onion and the garlic is translucent, it's clear, it's gotten soft. Well, the tortellini is now done. The pasta is soft. The hamburger meat is cooked. It's all married, blended in real well. So this is ready. And it did simmer for right at 20 minutes. So that is done. So while that was cooking, I got my bread ready. This is what I like to use is the Goldminers sourdough bread. So I have half a sourdough slice. I spread it with coconut oil, and I'm going to put that in the toaster oven and toast that to go with it. In the meantime, I have a little dipping bowl of olive oil. I'm going to put about a fourth teaspoon of minced, already prepared garlic, and put some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper on it. And I will have that a little dipping bowl to dip my bread in to eat along with my tortellini. I've gotten through cleaning the house, got a little bit of the dusting done, and now it's late in the afternoon. The sun will be setting shortly. So now it's time for Maizie a walk. So we are outside. We're going a different place today. So we are at the reservoir. This is the Barnett Reservoir that used to be part of the Pearl, well, it still is, part of the Pearl River that was dammed, and they made a reservoir. So it's now a fishing reservoir, boating, recreational reservoir. So Maisie's going to take a walk, and we're going to enjoy the cool weather. Believe it or not, we're expecting snow next week, so we're preparing for cold weather. Let's go walk. Maisie is distracted because we're in a new place, so she has lots of new things to sniff and smell. We'll look out here and see if we can see any alligators in the river. Beautiful December clear blue sky. Finally, the leaves have fallen off the trees, and we just have bare trees against the blue sky. This is the pine tree. This is a longleaf pine. We have lots and lots of pine trees in Mississippi. And a few minutes ago I heard some geese flying over, but I never could see them. There goes some across the little peninsula. Was that fun? Maizie. Maizie, was that fun? Hey, was that fun? Look here.